guys, Theresa here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your Instagram lives to your IGTV, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Before, when you record an Instagram live, it will then be saved on your Insta stories and available to your audience for 24 hours. But since the update, what happens now is that once you have finished recording your live, you can then save it to your IGTV. That means that your content will stay on the platform forever. I think that's a great update, and let me show you the steps to do it. First of all, you'll need to go into your Instagram app and go to your Instagram stories, and at the bottom you'll need to swipe to the left. As you can see, there is a selection for you to hit record to go live. Once you've done that, you start recording, and you have to record for a minimum of 1 minute. Make sure your internet connection is stable too, so connect with your Wi-Fi if you have it. I'm just going to fast forward here and show you the next steps once you have done your live. So you need to end your live first, and once you've done it, it'll ask you if you're sure about it, and of course you're going to go and say end now. You'll see that your live has ended, and there are a couple selections here. The first one is share to IGTV, download and delete. And just to be safe, you can download your video first and then share it on your IGTV, just in case something goes wrong. And yeah, that's how you do it. If you have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all from me for now, and I'll see you on the next one.